Hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video is only searching iPhone, fix signal dropping, no storage. Okay, let's get started and do everything step by step. Please click like, then I will get heart, you get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. Write in the comments whether yours got up or not and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So, I show you two ways how to soft reset this hardware case and clear the cache. This is fix signal dropping, no sorry, searching iPhone source only, it's okay. So, now I show you step or way number 1 how to clear the cache your iPhone and fix signal dropping. No, sorry, it's searching iPhone source only. Okay, we remove the cover because it will be easier this way. So, okay. First, we need to clear the cache on the iPhone, otherwise the method will not work. So, press tab and press tab. Yeah. Press and hold. And you look slide to power off. This is tab. Choose this and your iPhone turn off. Okay, your iPhone turn off, we waiting and press button turn off or turn on and waiting, your iPhone loading, just a little more, yeah, completed. So, enter passcode, your iPhone, okay, done. Mate, yeah. So, now I showed you way number 1, how to fix signal dropping, no service. This is way, name this way, clear the cache your iPhone. Okay, this is very effective method. So now I show you very effective and best method. So how to soft reset this hardware case, yeah, your iPhone. Okay, I show you, you repeat after me, yeah. Okay, well, so press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, press the volume up and volume down and press and hold button, turn off or turn on and hold until the Apple logo appears and complete it, yeah. Finish it best way, yeah. I showed you the first method, it is a very effective method. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and version your iPhone iOS and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. This is very good and either way. Check if this method, guys. So please click like, then I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when arms are standing likes. Thank you. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So please leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.